probably favor something nice, right, George?
Tiffany, how about a new off-road motorcycle and a steam shower?
Let's do it!
First is the Honda CRF 100F off-road motorcycle. This lightweight, power-driven bike features a 99cc air-cooled engine and smooth shifting 5-speed transmission. Then second, the revolutionary Rainforest 6 steam shower features fluorescent mood lighting, handheld adjustable shower head, and a hands-free telephone from MyBathUSA.com.
What you want is you want the magic number between the price of the motorcycle and the steam shower. You're going to move this little handle here. That's going to make the numbers go up and down, just like that. They go pretty quick or pretty slow, depending on how you do it, like a gas pump. Kind of like that. That's all you have to do. The audience will help you out. The audience will help you out. There you go. She's going up. Over 1,000. Over 1,100. Over 1,200. Over 1,300. 14, 15, 16. $2,000. 2,162.
How much these things are?
Well, that's a problem then. That's a problem.
Keep going?
Look at the audience then.
Stop, okay. More? I don't know. I'm stopping. I have no idea.
We have $2,547. Let's start with the steam shower. All right, Amber, we're going to start with you with the steam shower. How much is it for the Rainforest 6 from MyBathUSA? $3,799. So you are under the price of the steam shower by about $1,000. All you have to do is over the price of the motorcycle now, and you're a winner. And I think it looks pretty good, to tell you the truth. Rachel, how much is it for a Honda off-road motorcycle with a 99cc engine? 2,000. Oh! Oh! Oh!
That's okay.
Timmy,
All right.
I thought it looked good.
Thank you.
That coffee makers. Showcase showdown coming up. Don't go away.